Hi everybody. In this training video, we're going to discuss how to deliver a new unit to a unit to a new rental transaction by scanning the QR code. This will allow your drivers to initiate a rental transaction in the field without having to have one created on the desktop software first. To begin, in our last training video, we discussed how to establish a dummy customer name that all new rental transactions or new deliveries will be assigned to. Right now, I got a dummy customer name called New Rental. Every time I create a new rental transaction, the customer name will be New Rental. Right over here, if I was to click the code, this link that says 1000, is the same thing as if your drivers were in the field and they had their QR code scanner app and they scanned the QR code. When I click this link 1000, after login, your drivers will see exactly what you see in front of you. These two options, deliver new and deliver existing. In this video, we're going to focus on delivering to a new rental. So I'm going to click new delivery or deliver new. Right over here, your driver will want to enter in the customer name that he's delivering this unit to. I'm going to deliver it to Mike Dalek, and I'm going to complete the delivery. Once your driver completes it, you'll get a confirmation that the delivery is completed, and now it's safe to close this window. I'm back on the maintenance QR code maintenance screen, so I'm going to refresh this page, and now you're going to see that QR code 1000 is now tied to customer New Rental. We even captured a timestamp and a location of where the unit is in the field. Now it's time to bring this new rental transaction back to the desktop software. To get here, go to Sync Mobile Devices, and from this dropdown, select Rentals and click Sync. If you see your screen go to not responding, just like it just did, that's very normal. The front end is working. The front is not usable while the back end is doing its work and doing the syncing procedures. You'll want to perform a sync whenever you create a new rental transaction on the desktop, or if you create new rental inventory on the desktop that needs to be used by the QR code maintenance system or by the QR code system. You also will want to sync rentals when your drivers deliver make new deliveries, when they pick up units from the field. So you'll probably will be syncing rentals once or twice a day. I'm going to click OK to this. And now when I go to items rented, there's my new rental transaction from the QR code that was scanned. And you see that it was assigned to the customer name New Rental. Now it's time for the office staff to take action. They're going to double click on the invoice number. And they're going to see that the driver told you that this unit was delivered to Mike Dalek. So now all you need to do is select the customer name from the dropdown and add him to the rental transaction instead. From here now, you'll want to complete the rest of the transaction. You want to set your billing start date for when billing starts like normal. If you want to schedule services, go ahead and do it right from here. That can be placed on the route schedule. Once that's done, you want to click Close. And if you were to go to the rental inventory list where you built your rental inventory, you're now going to see that QR code 1000 belongs to Mike Dalek on invoice number 235. We got one last step. We want to go back to our Sync Mobile Devices and resync rentals one more time. Once the sync is done, the QR code maintenance screen, which showed the customer name as New Rental, will now be displayed as Mike Dalek, who it actually belongs to. So we'll give this a moment. It won't take too long. And now we can go ahead and pull up our QR code maintenance menu again. Notice here it still says New Rental. I'm going to refresh the page. And now you'll see that it's properly reflecting the customer that it actually belongs to. In our next training video, we'll discuss how to add rentals to existing rental transactions. Have a good one, everybody.